guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Imperfect Artist. So far, I have only shared the time-lapse videos of my arts. Today, I will share the technique I use to draw my artwork. The content will be divided into 3 parts. The first part, I will share details on the page setup using the grid method. In the second video, application to edit the photo before the art. In the third part, a drawing a video from a sketch to paint. Let's start the work. Why to wait? Why to wait? Casually, I use an A4 size paper to draw my arts. But recently, I have drawn a few arts on A3 paper too. As we know, the dimensions of the A4 paper will be 21 into 29.7 centimeters. When I draw the grid, I prefer to make a 1 into 1 centimeter box as it has given me the best results. Using a ruler, I first mark the points of the differences of 1 centimeter on the vertical and horizontal side. Then joining the dots, I draw my grid over the sheet. Try to use a light pencil of HB preferably or a 0.5 mm lead pencil. Do not apply pressure or make the lines dark as you will have to erase them. Now set a border by making a dark line. I usually make a border of 1 cm on each sides. You could use 2 cm if you want to make it look like a framework. And so the page setup is ready for the portrait art. Once the pic is opened, you will have to set up the dimensions. Click on the 3 lines of the left side of the app. There is a lot of options here. We will check them one by one. The first one is your work. Here you can save and share your work or create a collage to post or share it to someone along with the original art. Next part is very important. The grid dimensions or size of one cell. This indicates the dimensions of the one square box in terms of millimeter. In the first part, as I have selected the width between lines as 1 cm, I am going to apply 10 mm variation here. Next is the effect part here. There is a 3 types. The third part will be helpful when the resolution of the picture is better. It will help you to draw more accurately. The grid color is the part. I prefer light green. You can use your own choice. Next comes the stroke width. This is the width of each stroke that is applied on the picture. Preferably, I take it to the size of 0.3 to 0.5 based on the art. Next part is the most beautiful when you are working with the color combination. Using this, you can determine the color of a particular pixel. In this part, you can adjust the brightness and contrast of the image. The list image option will give you a list of all the images you have drawn till now, so you can access to them again. It saves a copy of the work. Then there is a save copy, share and share app options. On the screen, you can see lines this. This is used to apply the lines to the image. Diagonals will make a diagonal lines on each box. The label on and off which labels the number in the boxes. You can lock the art to the screen so that it does not move around while you draw. The best part is that you can zoom in and zoom out from the pic, which helps a lot as you draw the artwork, and the label will also move along. So this is the whole part on the application setup for the artwork. While looking the numbers in the image setup, you have to apply numbers on your sheet so that it becomes easier for you to draw it. The main part here is not to focus on the whole art, rather on each box we draw. For example, if I have to start from the left side bottom, I will see on which boxes or numbers the line is present. So the bottommost is in 21 vertically and 2 horizontally. So we start the line, and as you go, we focus on just one box at a time. Once your art is done, you have to erase the grids on the page. There is a 2 part here. If I am going to paint the art with colors, I will erase the grid initially. if I am going to do it in a black and white format as the usual portrait arts I do, I prefer to erase it after the artwork is done. Finally, the artwork is completely done. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have learned something, do subscribe, like, share and comment. Have a good day. Bye bye.